We are here in downtown Salt Lake City outside an actual Crucial Conversations training, and it's a very special day because VItalSmarts is about to train its 2 millionth participant, and we are going to make a big deal out of it. Hey! Hey! And an accordion! What could be better?
Welcome, Joseph, everybody. All right.
How many of you have had nightmares like this? Today is a very special day. VItalSmarts, as of today, will train its 2 millionth person. Tasha? Is Tasha here? Tasha, come on out. Come on out. Congratulations. And we'd just like you to address the group if you have an hour or so. For all of us here at VItalSmarts, this is an incredible moment. We're just grateful that you've made this a part of your life. Let's celebrate.
Hey, thank you, VItalSmarts.